back. We talked a lot about New Year's resolutions this month, and sometimes the best way to get those goals accomplished is simply by being around other like-minded individuals.
Absolutely. And Amy Pocsik, look, I tried so hard on the last name, Amy.
You got it right. No, you got it. I didn't even notice.
You had a successful career in accounting and then decided to pivot. And now you created Bold Moves, and you're helping others to make those same changes and moves forward. So thanks for being here today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Tell us about the pivot and why go from accounting to coaching.
Yeah. So, I was climbing the corporate ladder like so many do, and I had achieved all the external measures of success, and yet inside I felt so unfulfilled. And it was painful, to wake up every day and feel like your one and only life was slipping away. So I had to make some bold moves. I had to give myself permission to try different things. And along that journey, I met amazing, talented women who needed support in building their business and building their dreams. And I realized that I had the experience and tools to help them. And so that's really why I started Bold Moves.
I love that. And a lot of the work that you do is helping women kind of really find their best self. What are some of the tips that you give when you're coaching people on a regular basis?
Great question. Number one, give yourself permission to hold space for the dream in your heart.
Love that.
Create a compelling vision for your life. And number two, create a roadmap with the right support and systems to get you where you want to go. And number three, and my favorite, be in community with other people who are up to big things, because their excitement and their zest for life is going to propel you forward.
Yeah, and what is so great about that, right, is finding that community gives you ideas, but it gives you that support, and when you're doubting yourself, you can lean on others, and so you have created this incredible community, and you have a conference coming up. So tell us what people can expect at the conference and why this is such a great event for anyone, whether they're ready to take the step or thinking about the step or have taken a step.
Yeah, the second annual Boston Women's Leadership Summit is happening next week, and we are bringing together Boston's top executives and entrepreneurs from all different industries to exchange ideas, create opportunities and connections for one another. And I can't wait. Kwani's going to be there. So excited.
MC for the second year. I'm really excited. We appreciate you. I'm sure it's going to be a great event. I'm going to drag Hannah with me if she can get out of work as well.
Well, and I think it's so great what you're doing to encourage people to really chase their dreams. So thank you for doing what you're doing, as well as for taking the time to be here with us today. You guys heard her. There's the events next week. You can head to bold-move.com and click the 2025 Summit tab for more information.
Thank you so much. Can't wait to see you there.